Good morning, boys and girls. I wanted to hop on here real quickly and give y'all a few snow day activities that you can complete for some per tickets. If you complete the social studies activity by Friday, I will hand you per tickets. The I read and the reading activities just need to be completed today. In order to complete all the activities except for the reading activity, you will need to access Launchpad. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through that. Let's go ahead and get started. If you go to FultonCountySchools.org and then go ahead and click on the Student and Parents tab and go down to Resources. And then go ahead and scroll down to where you see the area that says Students and then click Launchpad. Now, I'm already logged in, so it automatically goes to this, but if you're not automatically logged in, you can click enter your lunch number and then birthday for username, hit lunch number, and birthday for password. If you don't remember your lunch number or birthday, it should be in your agenda. If you go ahead and scroll down to where it says social studies, I'm going to give you two resources to complete this project. You're essentially going to be creating a poster or a mini poster. You can use computer paper or whatever kind of paper that you have at home with 5 ways that either James Oglethorpe, Tom Achichi, or Mary Musgrove impacted Georgia history. We're talking about how James was coming over as a compassionate and fair leader, and how Tom Achichi and Mary were very fair as well. We want to talk about how they impacted Georgia history. If they were not fair the way that they were, we probably would not have had the way the colony established the way that it was. So I want y'all to think about that, and I want y'all to talk about how James and Mary and Tom Achichi worked together to create the colony of Georgia. So you can use, I'm going to send you my PowerPoint that I had made that we are using in class, and I'm also going to show you the resource of our textbook that you can get to. That's under our Social Studies tab on Launchpad. So you're going to click the Social Studies tab and then click our state, which says grade 2, and I'm going to send you the login. It's basically our grade 2, our state, and then the password's 123456, and then click sign in, and then click social studies, and it has a cute little intro. It's loud, but then you can watch it later. And then if you click right here where it says James Oglethorpe, Mary Musgrove, and Tom Achichi, I would like for you to just read. It's really just these short 2 pages. It's just James, Mary, and Tom Achichi, and that'll just give you a good little information about them, and then you'll use my PowerPoint as another information. If you want to look up some books or some article facts, you can. You can also use my website, and I'll show you how to get there too. That's another good resource to use for that. And let me show you how to get there. Sorry. I would just go to Saybrook Crossing Elementary, and they should be able to do this. You just go to State Bridge Crossing, and you go to Staff, hit Directory, scroll down, and hit my Weebly. Go over here and go to my Symbolo. I already have it linked. Just like we use for our penguin, you can hit Kids Rex, and this is automatically a good resource. And you can type in James, Mary, Tom Achichi, and do some research on them too to find some interesting facts. That'd be a really good resource too. So that's one activity that you can do. You also can go back to Launchpad and click on your iRead and do 15 minutes of iRead. That's your phonics program. I would like for you to do at least 15 minutes of that. And then remember to log into there. You need your lunch number and your birthday. And then for also just to read a chapter book or anything that you want to read, you can also go on to Mac and Via or Tumble Books and read as well. PebbleGo is also a really good one to read off of. At least 20 minutes of reading at home as well. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing y'all hopefully tomorrow. Have a good day.